Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Google Ads destination not working. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I am on this Quora page. So according to this AI bot, it means they are saying if you are getting a destination not working issue in Google Ads, it could be because your URL destination is not accurate. So the first step is to verify the URL that you have set as the destination for your ad. Make sure that URL is correct and working properly. The second step is to check for typos. Sometimes a simple typo in the URL can cause the destination not working issue. Double check the URL for any misspellings or errors. The third step is to ensure HTTPS compatibility. Google Ads requires secure URLs for landing pages. Make sure that your destination URL uses HTTP instead of HTTP. Make sure your destination URL uses HTTPS instead of HTTP. The fourth step is to test the URL. So just open a web browser and manually enter the destination URL to see if it loads correctly. The fifth is to check for redirects. Sixth is to review landing page policy compliance. The seventh is to contact Google support. So if you have tried all the steps and are still facing the destination not working problem, you may need to contact Google Ads support. So to do that, just go to google.com and type for Google Ads support, and here you can just click on this and contact their support. So this is how you fix this problem. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.